Yeah, hi guys, today's video is going to be for doorless mirrors on a Jeep JK and a Jeep JT. These are sent by Esright, and I will send a link below, so if you're interested in a set of these, you can get them for yourself. This is one of the solutions. I'm going to show you a comparison between these and the mirrors that I already have, and then you can choose which set is best for you. Comes with a set of instructions, which are pretty straightforward. It comes with 2 straight bars and 2 angled bars. And the mirrors. The hardware is already bolted to the mirrors, so you don't have to go looking for that, which is decent. And you get a nice big square mirror, which is awesome, versus the round one, the round bicycle tire mirrors that you get for the JKs. So before I install these, I'm going to uninstall the doors. First, I'm going to undo this bolt. Take the lock washer out and the little plastic nut there. And we're just going to put that underneath that. Next, we're going to undo the bolt in the back of the mirror. Take the lock nut off. We're just going to guide them through. Just like so. Started by hand. I wouldn't use power tools to do this. Honestly, do it manually. Okay, so you need to adjust this a bit. And that is pretty good. So now I'm going to tighten it down to this position. I'm going to get a screwdriver and tighten the back as well. Now a Phillips screwdriver will just tighten this into place. We got 3 screws there, just tighten all 3. There, and now it's not going to move. So we're going to go for a test drive with this solution first, and we're going to go pretty quick to see if it rattles and shakes and whatnot, and then we're going to try it again with this style of mirror and tell me what one you think is better.
Incoming call. Press Uconnect phone button to answer. Call rejected.
So they look pretty good. Lots of viewing, so you can see all around what's behind you and everything. So the smaller round mirrors, you're kind of limited to what you can see. Mind you, they're up nice and high, where these ones are kind of down low. So I'm used to looking up here for a mirror, not down here. So I gotta get used to that, I guess. Now let's see how much it shakes when you're going fast. There's a little bit of a whistle to them. don't see a shake to them at all. Okay, now I'm starting to see a little bit of shake. We're going 80. I can still make out everything behind me, but there is a little bit of shake to it, a little bit of vibration to it. I'm going to hop over into the passenger seat. This is my daughter's Jeep, and I'm going to let her take over and see what she thinks. Side as well. How do you like these mirrors?
I like them a lot more, honestly. They do shake a little bit, but I feel like if you tighten them, they'll be fine. But they do have a lot more side view, which is nice. Because with the circular ones, it's kind of harder to see like beside you and behind you.
Like, they don't look like a stock mirror, but they look like they belong there. So it's a pretty decent mirror. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall these ones and drive down the road with just these mirrors and show you the differences so you can compare the two. One of the cons of this product is that you have to take it completely apart in order to uninstall it. Mind you, it only takes a couple of seconds. So to install this mirror, all I got to do is loosen the wing nut here, move it over, and then tighten it up. I do like that this one is up higher. Okay, so now we're going to drive with these ones installed and see how these ones are in comparison. So one of the cons right away is how tiny these things are. It's like I'm riding a bicycle. Very limited to your sight, to what you can see and what's behind you and everything. And then they kind of move around a lot. There we go. So right away, I see that the other product is better. Pros and cons between both sets. I like how convenient this set is, but I don't like how restricted your view is from that. So this one only takes a minute to install, which is really not that bad. And you've got a bigger area to view what's behind you, which I really like that. That is really good. One of the cons is the whistling and the fact that you've got to take the entire thing apart. I just feel if you're taking the whole thing apart, you may lose something, especially if you're doing it out on a trail or something. You may lose a bolt or a nut or forget the arm somewhere. Where this, all you have to do to move it out of the way is just loosen the wing nut and move it out of the way. So you're not going to lose anything with that. So I want to thank Esright for sending me those to review for you guys out there on YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'm going to put a link below to where you can order your own set if you want a set for your Jeep. Thanks for joining me here at Jendell Overland, and we'll see you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.